In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield wiper on your Ford E-350 Super Duty. It's located on your windshield. All right, so you're going to pick up your washer arm and push in on the tab for the plastic piece. Then you're going to push the wiper down to disconnect it. You're going to take your new wiper and you're going to slide it in and push up, and it should lock in place. All right, so now that you've put your windshield wiper on and it's locked in place, you can take your protective white slides off by pulling it away. Place it back on the windshield, and then do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.